We will be doing Snapchat advertisements today. Okay, so let me open this one. Ads.snapchat.com. Ads.snapchat.com. So this is your URL how you can go to Snapchat. Okay. The page isn't working. Why? Ads.snapchat.com. Okay, so here it is working. Let's click on sign up. You have to note down the steps, guys. All the steps you will note down, and if you have any question, let me know once I complete. I can assure you that your questions will be clear in within this session, but still if you have questions, you can note it down and you can let me know after I complete this advertisement. First name, you can use your first name, last name, that's not an issue. Okay, so it's longer than underscore suffix. Password, anything you can give. Email, I will be using this email. Month, you can give your date of birth and your birth year, and you can sign up the account. Once the account is signed up, the next option will be how to create advertisements. Okay, so business, legal business name means your business legal name. I will say my legal business name is Cyprax. You can give, you can give your country, United Arab Emirates, and you can give AED is not available here, guys. So first of all, currency will stay USD every time. There is no AED option. Okay, they don't deal in AED. They only deal in USD or the other currencies. CAD means Canadian, AUD Australian, European, JBR is German, I think, and other currencies. Okay, so you can use USD and you can click on next. Now create public profile. You are signed in as this, so create your public profile, and after that, this is your Snapchat dashboard. Okay, if you want to collect your credit, spend $50 and collect $75. So this is their offer. If you want, you can go for it. Otherwise you can leave it. Now if you will select any option from here, this is an instant mode. This is not a professional way to run advertisement, because they will not give you a lot of options. Okay, so where, what is the professional way? Click on create ads and click on create ads. Okay, or you can go to manage ads and you can click on create campaign. Okay, so both options are here. So remember, this is your first step. When you are starting campaign, click on manage ads and click on manage advertisements. Then click on create campaign, and this is an instant option, and this is an advanced create which gives you full control over your ad. So we will go with this option. So how many of you are using Snapchat? Hanif, Purna, Sarah? Yes, Sarah is using, Purna is using. Yes, I also using. Hanif? No, sir, I'm not using. Okay, now start you. Now I need to get used to it. Yeah, but application is totally different, by the way. Application is totally different for advertisement. Now in Snapchat advertisement, I'm gonna choose awareness or drive traffic to website. If you want people to go to your website, go with this option. I want people to go to my website, drive traffic to website. Okay, after this is your campaign setup. Campaign name, drive traffic to website, give a campaign name, uh, evening batch practice, whatever you want you can give. Okay, now status is active, create split test. In Facebook advertisements there is A B testing. Okay, and in Snapchat advertisement there is split test. A B testing and split test is the same thing. They will create two different campaigns in which two different budgeting will be there. You will give a separate budget to both of the campaigns, and they will run an advertisement, and which ad will be performing in the best way, they will choose that particular advertisement. Okay, so we are not going to choose create split test option because it will cost you a separate money. Yes, if your company is saying we want to test, you can click it and you can create a separate campaign. Okay, this will be started after you create one campaign. Okay, so that's not a difficult thing, we can do it. Now starting date, time, it's there. Okay, daily spend cap means how much you daily want to spend. Lifetime spend cap means, like, if you have a lifetime spend cap means, if your company is saying this is a new offer up to 70% off on noon, and we have up to 1 million or 10,000 dirham lifetime means within 1 week you will spend 10,000 dirhams. Okay, so it depends how these things are working. If you have daily spend cap you can give, if you have lifetime spend cap you can give. Otherwise, in the next step, you can give daily budget. That will work on the daily basis. Snap Pixels, this is a software which is a built-in software within Snapchat, which provides you the tracking. Like, you can track how many users are going from Snapchat to towards your website and what they are doing. You want to track, and you want to use in future the audience, you can use this one. This, if you will switch it on, this is a separate thing. And how to configure this thing is, it's too easy. Simply take a code. When you will switch it on, they will, if I will switch it on, they will say there is no snap. Okay, create a pixel, I will click, and then conversion terms and conditions will be applied. So for the time being, I am not switching this on. We will switch it on and connect it in the next step. Snap app ID tracking, no need for this one. What does this do? This is for Snap application ID. Okay, so no need to go for this particular thing because we are focusing on website. So budget, it's 50 dirhams, dollars, sorry. Daily budget or lifetime budget, both options are there. It's up to you what you want to do. Okay, and if you want to give an ending date, you can give an ending date. Placement placement, automatic placement, edit placement. Now in Snapchat we don't have a lot of placement options. Okay, we have content, we have between content, user stories. Whenever you open Snapchat, you will see your friend's story on the top. Okay, between content, ads watched, between stories, and professional content. Snapchat stories, I will show you the preview also, so you can understand how the stories are appearing. Okay, so this is how where it is, where it is. I just want to show you a preview so you can
It's
understand.
like when you see a story of a friend and out of a sudden there's an ad pops up.
Yeah,
Right?
exactly. Now these are
Then
your
you have to
exactly. Now these are your friends stories, these are your friends stories, these are subscribers. Okay, so whenever you are watching your friend's story, you will click on next and you will see an advertisement. So it means between content, ads watched between stories or professional content. User stories, publisher means these are known as subscribers and publisher. Okay, here your ad will appear. If you want to include any specific category, you can go for any specific category, and that will be a better option if you want. Otherwise, you can stay like, because already your audience and your impressions are too small. Okay, Snapchat is not like Facebook and Instagram. Snapchat is very specific and audience are also very small. For example, you will select beauty and fashion, that I want to include my stories only in beauty and fashion. Okay, so they will include this categories, and if you want to exclude any category, they will exclude other categories also. Okay, so you have to think in like in a different way for Snapchat. Okay, in the further step I will tell you how you can select your audience. Now, audience network, due to industry privacy policy including Apple app tracking transparency requirement, audience network impression will rely on contextual signals for optimize which based. If you want audience network, you can go for it, but I don't prefer even in Google ads, even in, because they will show your advertisements on many other applications and many other thing, and it is just a you like they are going to use your budget for unnecessary thing. So it's better not to give audience network. It's my preference. Okay, if someone tells you that audience network is very good, we are generating sales, every business is different, but I don't prefer this one to my clients even. Okay, so your audience is located in United Arab Emirates, that's fine. Okay, now if you have an age restriction, you will click on this one, they will go 18 plus. Okay, if you don't have an age restriction, you can switch it off. My genders, you can focus on the gender, female or male, whatever you want to target, you can target. Okay, select a language if you want to target a specific language. Okay, Arabic, I want to target Arabic people. Now, predefined audience, these are the categories in which your audience will be predefined. Now, I want to target people who are luxury buyers, luxury shoppers, something like this. Okay, so money minders, my first target. Shoppers, I will open this and I will see automotive shoppers, they are car shoppers. Big box shopper, cosmetic shoppers. I'm gonna target ladies because it's female. Discount and thrifty. Okay, jewelry and watches. Luxury shopper and oral care. Online shoppers and women fashion shoppers. Sneaker heads, if you want you can, otherwise it's fine. Now this is my woman lifestyle and wellness, you can select this also, and that's all. Okay, so this is your audience, you have selected this audience, and make your audience very concise and very like, choose your audience very carefully. If one audience goes wrong, your ad is going to the wrong people. Okay, so be careful. Now you can, no need to expand audience automatically. Snap expands to the audience to optimize performance, they are gonna expand your audience. Okay, to other people other than these categories, they will expand. Okay, so don't go for this option, I recommend. It's up to you. If you want to go and try this option, you can try this one, because I have tried already, that's why I'm telling you. They will expand your audience to just spend your whole budget within 1 day. Operating system, all Android, iOS. uh, it depends. If you are do, if do or Etisalat is running an advertisement on Snapchat, they will use these devices option. Okay, they will use this devices option. Why? Because they want to target people who is using Android, they want to sell iOS on installment plan, so they will select Android option only. Okay, but for our business it's fine. We don't need connection, cellular or Wi-Fi. We don't even need carrier also. Carrier means do or Etisalat. If I will write do dot a will appear. This is carrier. Okay, status, it is active. My goal is swipe up in Instagram, in Snapchat, swipe up works. Now in social media, don't give any bidding, let it go automatically. Why? Because make best effort to spend your budget, because in social media, we in Google Ads we have a software which tell us that this is the price for your keyword, but in social media we don't have a particular software which tells us how much amount is gonna spend. So that's why they automatically adjust and they automatically use. If you want to learn what cost per action you can achieve or snap, so they will automatically go for the lowest target. Okay, so no need to select any bidding option. Third party tagging is used for, use this flag on to automatically to add more tracking tags. No need for these tags. Okay, so the most important thing is your audience and your location, your language. That is the most important thing whenever you create advertisement. Okay, now these are your advertisements. Name your ad. My ad name is evening session. No, it's okay, here it is, evening session practice. And my brand name is Ciprux. Headline is up to 40%, up to 40% off. Okay, now I will upload a snap. Any snap you can upload. For example, I'm gonna upload this snap. Mortgage or real estate or whatever it is, you can upload. Okay, this is just for practice, that's why I'm uploading any snap. Otherwise you need a specific size in Snapchat, and the Snapchat story size is 180 by 1920. So you have to design a post in this particular size. Okay, now my attachment is website. Call to action is book now, learn more, order now, play game, shop now, whatever you want to choose. You can choose according to your things. Okay, now HTTPS, you can say Sipax. Okay, now this is my website, I have given it here. And no need for autofill or build the URL parameters. URL parameters are using for URL tracking. We don't want to track the URL. Smart prefetching, no need for this also. Okay, these are for application and more detailed things. Okay, but we have our software Google Analytics which will help us in all these things. Impression tags, swipe up tags. What does impression track? For impression verification, they verify your impression, that where impression came or not. Swipe up tag, they verify the swipe up tags. Add another, no need to add these things. This is your last step, website URL. Review your campaign, and simply you can run after adding your card details. Okay, this is all. And in this one you cannot save the campaigns. This is a bad thing. Why? Because if you will go back, or without, they don't save in draft also, you will go back, they will remove the campaign. This is a bad thing in Snapchat. They should save the campaign, right? So yes, let me know if you have any questions one by one. Tell me the things.
For now, I don't have any questions, but maybe I will have while doing the steps.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. That's why I created a video also, so it could help you guys also. And the if you need any help, you can go through the video also, and you already note down the steps. So yes, it will be helpful for you guys. Yes, Hanif.
No, sir, at the moment I don't have anything, so let's practice and then we'll see.
Okay, no worries. Okay, and Purna.
Yes, it's same thing. So you need
Okay.
to first practice and then if you don't understand, then ask you.